This is an unboxing video of GoPro Hero 8. So this is the first unit in India. So let's see what we have in the package. We have the original GoPro Hero 8 black. So the extra features over Hero 7 is, these are the features. And the extra feature is 1080p live streaming using Facebook and YouTube. Live burst photos, super photo plus HDR raw, and it is waterproof up to 10 meters, and it is GPS enabled. So we'll see the product later. Let's see what we have in the box. So this is 1 year extended warranty. See, we have the bag also. You can see the quality of the bag. Later to this bag, it is completely foldable and it is the full size bag of GoPro. So I've got this mount for 3-way mount also. So this is an original mount. Tripod. So this is 3-way grip arm and tripod. This is a seal. This camera comes with the inbuilt mount. You can see. Battery, which is the blue one, not the same as the GoPro Hero 7. New technology battery, as the GoPro claims, which brings in the Hypersmooth 2.2 time warp. It is only possible because of this battery. If you insert the Hero 7 battery, it will not work. Some of the features of the camera will not work. Right. And these are the mounts for helmet mount. It is curved shape, as you can see. I think USB-C port now. You can see. Nice. So let's put the battery inside the GoPro. I'll show you how. So you have to keep the GoPro like this and you have to push this upwards. Like this. So you will see a red line here. As you can see. Then you have to just push it upwards like this. So simple. Then you have to keep the battery like this, where the GoPro is written, and you can just slide the battery inside this. you have a USB charging port here. This USB-C charging port. So let's put the battery inside the GoPro. I'll show you how. So you have to keep the GoPro like this and you have to push this upwards. Like this. So you will see a red line here. As you can see. Then you have to just push it upwards like this. So simple. Then you have to keep the battery like this where the GoPro is written, and you can just slide the battery inside this. So simple. And you have a USB charging port here, which is this USB-C charging port. Battery using this plastic. Push it back. Locked. This is how you do it. Using a scratch guard for the front glass, which is very important, and a scratch guard for this. So I think I need to remove this very carefully. Green captures the location where your videos and photos are taken. So I'm keeping this on. Now it's written install the GoPro app on your phone to finish the setup. So you need to install this GoPro app, which is 93.08 MB in my Android phone. As you can see. You need to install SD card also. So we are changing the device. Manage this device from your phone, and for that you have to update, and this upgrade is very important for this device too, because as you can see, this upgrades Hypersmooth 2.0 with new levels of video stabilization including boost, sequential camera, horizontal capturing, 4K all video and time-lapse modes, cinematic preset, time-lapse video, smart control, remote capability. I'm updating this camera, so click. So I'm accepting this user agreement and etc. Your camera's battery is too low, device battery is too low. Yes, okay. So you have to follow this. You have to recharge your battery of the camera. So I'm recharging my camera's battery, and after that I'll install this update. So my camera is charging, and this device does not comes with any micro SD card. So I am just using my dslr Professional 128 GB memory card along with this. This is how you insert the memory card inside this camera. Like this. You have to just gently push it inside this. So there is a little click sound inside that. So now my camera battery is above 20%. minimum is 20%. You need to upgrade, install the upgrade. So as you can see, my camera is charging. It is at 28% and every tick mark is there. So you can upgrade your camera now. Clicking on continue. So do not switch off the GoPro. This supports real-time time-warp stop. Means whenever you want to return to the normal, you can just tap the screen and it will return to real time. You can also set the custom presets here. Nice laptop. प्लीज़ यार लाइक कर देना वीडियो को, सब्सक्राइब कर देना चैनल को, और आपको पता है क्या करना है, बेल आइकॉन ज़रूर दबाइए।